It's in the steering wheel still.
You think I'll get you one of those stools to sit on?
Nah, I'm good. I'm not planning on this taking all night.
Don't make me pick you up. Sis, rinse. Here.
Okay.
Rinse here.
Okay. So you're gonna have to get a hold of his tail so I can rinse his ass.
There. Hurry. Hurry. You need to hold the bobcat. Yes.
Yes,
He's biting. He's biting.
Ass getting rinsed. Yeah, chew on him. It's fine.
Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on.
Okay, bud.
How much salt on it?
I think still got shampoo back there, though. I think I got all the clumps out.
No. Still got shit dripping off of it.
Okay.
What's that dirt?
I remember my wood's pretty full of water. Okay, you got him?
Got him. I got this end. It's okay. It's okay. Reese. We're almost done. Ow, ow. Don't bite me. That's the hand that feeds you.
Obviously not been doing a good job here lately.
It's okay, Reese. It's okay.
It's okay, buddy. Reese, dude.
I know. I'm being an asshole. It's okay.
Okay. Sorry, sir.
Fish! Don't be sending that out.
Hot Saturday night in Cincinnati.
Here. Rinse the hose off. Or the leaf off. Oh no.
Yeah, he ain't coming back.
Leaf is off. Can't come back in till this goes on.
I think he's good with that now. Where the hell is that hole in the fence? Thanks, honey. You're welcome.
You too.